different view of the marina with less wind. Ripples come in every size. Some are wise and some otherwise. They've got creepy blue eyes. Oh, what a jealous fool am I. And the face in the water looks up and shakes your hand as if to say, that's Genesis Ripples. That's a very good rendition. I need to go for vocational skills training so I don't annoy you all with these comments. I promised the marina, but there's Port Meadow. And there's the marina. The Bailey Bridge. The ripples. The birds singing or whistling. Bailey Bridge. And the marina.